In the previous section, we already discussed the insertion start and insertion after a node. So please go through the insertion before and also insertion for a given node. Next, we have to discuss how to delete a node for a doubly linked list. Suppose delete start. Delete the first node. If we delete the first node, initially this is null and we store the address of this. If we delete the first node, what happened? The head will be updated. Head will be store the address of this. Okay. Next, what happened? We have to disconnect this. We have to disconnect this link, and we also disconnect this link. And this node previous part will be stored what? Because this node is deleted, this node previous part will be stored null value, and head will be this. Okay. So if you insert a node at start, then that changes will be done. See the algorithm what happened here. Delete start. Okay. If you pass the head, it's okay. If you not pass, then no problem. This is same as the delete start is also called as delete leftmost. Delete leftmost. Okay, delete leftmost is also same as delete start. Delete leftmost means in the list, the leftmost node, which is node is the leftmost, will be perform the deletion operation. So this is the same. Don't confuse about if delete start and delete leftmost is same. So in the delete start, what happened? The first step, first is same as any other deletion operation, that is underflow condition check. What is the underflow condition? If your head equal to null, then here you have to print underflow and return. Okay, that is your underflow condition. If head equal to null, then underflow return. See, next, to performing the deletion, we require a pointer. To performing a deletion, you require a pointer. Why? Because ptr is point this. So using this ptr, I am accessing this node and then releasing this node by using this ptr. So I am starting a pointer ptr equal to head. Okay, ptr equal to head. Whatever the head will be stored, ptr is stored there. Then what is step 2? The step 2, I am storing the data value into a norm. What is the how to access the data value? ptr info. Okay, whatever the ptr info data, I am storing norm, because what? After that, I am returning the norm value or printing the norm value showing the which value is deleted. So ptr info, I am storing the norm. Next, the step 4. Then what is the step 4? Suppose this is the linked list. I am deleting this first node. So what is the step 4 tell? We have to first see, if you deleted this node, that means this part will be what? This part will be stored null, because this is the first node after deleting this. So first you update this. Why? Because now here is your ptr. I am assigning ptr head. If you release this node, okay, if you release this node or updating directly this, then we lose this address. So that first you updating this using this ptr. So how to access this using this ptr? Because this address will be stored here, this node address will be stored here. Okay, so I am writing here what? In the step 4, ptr next. What is ptr next giving? This is ptr and next this node. Then this part will be previous. ptr next previous means this part will be updated to what? Null. Okay, ptr next this node previous, this part, this link will be updated to what? Null. Okay, this part will be updated to null. Clear? Then what is the next step? ptr next previous equal to null, the step 4. So here is null. Okay, then what is the step 5? Your head will be ptr next. Head will be ptr next. That means the head will be updated to your ptr next. What is the next ptr value? 100. So head will be here updated. Head equal to ptr next. That means head will be now pointing to this node. Okay, that means this link will be disconnected. Head now pointing to this, and this link also disconnected because here null will be stored. Now one link is present. How to disconnect this link? In the step 6, I am disconnecting the ptr next equal to null. Now this will be disconnected and this will be stored null. Okay, this will be stored null. See, this will be disconnected, this will be disconnected, this will be disconnected. That means the node is isolated now. Okay, node is isolated now. Now you have to free the ptr. How to free ptr? Okay, then deallocate this memory, free ptr, and then we have to return num. Whatever the num value is stored, ptr info or ptr data will be returned. So that is your deletion at start or deletion the leftmost part of the list.